Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez, and this is an update video for week 3 of Java 2. So I just wanted to work on something just to see if something would work. And unfortunately it still doesn't want to work the way I want it to. So I'll go do a quick demo. So once again I put in some entries and then submit. The only thing I added was the toast that shows up just to show that something was transferred. But as you can see, nothing shows up still. As I said before, the only thing that still works is when I send it to the second app. You can see it just shows up here. So I'm still having trouble trying to figure out how to send the information onto my list view, which is sitting right here. Just to take a quick look at my code, I do have a list view set up. This didn't work. Come on. There we go. So yeah, I do have a list view set up here, so it's supposed to show up. I made it green just to see if it was still there, and bless me, I'm sorry. So as you can see, it looks like it's there, so it's supposed to be there, and if it showed up here, then it's showing up here. I thought it wasn't showing up, but it is. I do have a list item, which I'm gonna assume that has something to do with this, but for some reason I just can't pinpoint the problem with it. This is the object setup that I have here, so that when the data is saved, it would just be saved within an object. What else do I have here? My add. This is the form over here within the CRUD app, as you can see. And as you can see from right here, this is where I have the second app set up. Setting up the second app was, of course, easy. It wasn't that bad, so I didn't have an issue doing that. It's just sending the information onto the other view, just so that it'll work. I do have a detail view, as I said before, and just in case you didn't see it before. It's right here. So it kind of shows that I have something set up. I even have the second app button set up there, just so then the user has the option to either do it right away or do it whenever they feel like it. And I do have an edit view, and I do have an edit button, so then it could go back to the form and it deletes, and then it could just delete from the application. But like I said, I can't really test it out because nothing is being sent out. I don't know if information is being sent out. I've tried figuring out how to do that with a log, but every time I set up a log, nothing shows up. And it's not that it's not getting the information. I think it's how I'm setting up the log. So that's pretty much it. I'm stuck in a rock and a hard place right now. I can't figure it out right now. So you guys have a good night.